Ever had an amazing SaaS product, but no one seems to understand it? Imagine if you could turn that confusion into clarity in just 60 seconds. Explainer videos are your secret weapon. They not only simplify complex ideas, but can also skyrocket your user engagement and retention rates. Today I am breaking down why every SaaS needs one. First of all, you need to know what are explainer videos. Explainer videos are like a 60-second elevator pitch for your product, wrapped up with stunning visuals and easy to follow voiceovers. They quickly communicate your product's core benefits, making them unforgettable. Now in this section I am talking why use explainer videos benefits for SaaS brands. Number one benefit is boost marketing ROI. Marketers have seen up to an 88% better ROI when using videos in their strategy. Why? Because explainer videos engage, clarify, and convert. Imagine capturing your user journey from curious to committed in under a minute. Benefits number two, build strong brand awareness. In a crowd SaaS market, explainer videos can give your brand the edge it needs. AI Buster nailed this by showing exactly what sets them apart. Benefit number three, balances customer acquisition and retention. Explainer videos improve user onboarding, helping both acquisition and retention. AI auto blogging video for their onboarding dashboard made it a smooth ride from start to finish. What's the biggest SaaS challenges you have faced? Comment below. Now I am talking with you how explainer videos enhances user experience. Imagine losing a potential customer because they couldn't figure out how to use your product. Don't let this be you. Explainer videos simplify even the trickiest workflows so users feel confident right away. Explainer videos are a game changer for your SaaS growth, turning complexity to clarity. Now, if you want to make your product stand out, Videoters is here to help. Let us craft a custom explainer video that connects your audience and boosts your conversions. Contact Videoters today. Let's make your SaaS impossible to ignore. Hit the subscribe button for the next video. Thank you.